Have you ever heard of a man turning into a dog?
Well, they all do eventually, don't they?
Shaggy, you're back!
This is a man who hates dogs.
Thanks, guys.
Good night, sir.
And through a strange circumstance,
Ow!
you scared him!
Oh, he bit me.
He turns into a dog, and through being a dog, he learns to be a better human.
What's happening to me?
I move my hands in the tempo.
I love you.
We hooked up with these great actors. Jane Curtin's in this. Robert Downey Jr.
I am the chief scientist. I, me, mine! Ha!
No more growling!
Silence! Quiet!
I gotta go, guys.
Tim is funny all the time.
Don't talk to anybody. Don't play the music. And you're in charge.
He can't help it.
I got you now. I'm not playing prison. I got it. I am good. Is there anyone who has not sniffed my butt?
The Shield, now on DVD.
Either you and I are gonna leave this basement together, or we're gonna leave this life together.
Mackey's not a cop. He's Al Capone with a badge.
The Shield, now on DVD. Once it grabs you, the Shield doesn't let go.
I want to get off the dead bangers list and learn to play by the rules. The first one is, we still make the rules.
I can't protect him anymore.
Flat out brilliant.
How much dirty money is this thing gonna be carrying? Enough for the four of us to retire.
Packed with exclusive bonus features.
I need you to step aside.
I don't step aside. I step up.
On your knee! On your knee!
You've murdered 2 of your own team members.
With guest stars Glenn Close and Forrest Whitaker.
Don't you make me break a sweat trying to catch you!
Michael Chiklis.
You're not a witness, and you're an arrest. And this here's just enough to make you a trafficker.
Own all 6 seasons of The Shield on DVD today.